Howdy folks, I'm going to create a card today with this Fluttering Fairies from Gemini, Crafter's Companion. So I'm going to do a double Z fold card. Okay, so I've cut this down to 11 inches wide, long, because it makes it easier to work out what we're going to do. And I'm going to score at 2 3/4 here and 5 1/2 here. Okay. Now I'm going to take it and cut down so as it's 5 1/2 by 5 1/2 as a square. So I'll cut off this and this will be my band. I could make the band smaller or larger if I wanted to, but I'm not going to. I'm going to have it the same size as it is, and we will decorate that too. Okay, so there we have it. I'll cut that like that off of there, and I take it and turn it the other way round, so as the long piece goes where the short back is, and that's what makes the Z fold. Got this out. I think I might decorate one of the panels with one of these. I might do the back with that, just there. Obviously I've got to cut it down. Okay, so I'm going to cut some fairies out of these bits and this bit.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, yeah. Baby, I'm bad.
I just wanna stay bad, stay mad. Chip on my shoulder cause they treat me like an outcast. I ain't gonna take that, stay back. I'll be swinging hard till the hits come in all caps. I ain't gonna lay back, pray that someone's gonna help me. Ain't nobody like that. I ain't gonna wait, that's all fact. Give me one shot and I'll never get the throne back. I'm sick of being cautious. I'ma go cause something, can't stop this. I'ma steal everybody's lane, call it shoplift. Sick of hearing everyone complain when they thoughtless. Taste the pain, it's like candy canes. It makes me go change into a better frame, into a better name. Society's insane, we all live for fame, yeah. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby, I'm bad, baby, I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gon' live it up. Live it up on the attack, baby I'm bad. I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby I'm bad, baby I'm bad. I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, I'll live it up on the attack. Baby I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, do it no cap. Only God wants you, better go live it up. Cash in the bag, stadium packed. Baby I'm bad.
Joining me, guys. Much love, breathe easy, folks. I'll see you again soon. Bye.